How to see my block list on Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now of course you want to make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. In order to make sure that you have this feature, right after, let's now go ahead and open up the Facebook application. And once inside, to go ahead and see your block list, you can just go ahead and click on the menu button. Inside menu, you then have to click on the gear icon, which is the settings for our account. And from here, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and under audience and visibility, we then have the blocking option. You can just go ahead and click on it, and inside we will be able to see our block list on our Facebook profile. You can unblock or add a new people to block right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.